Here's a 2007 Buick Lucerne. Every inch is polished, every technology is precise, and performance is perfectly optimized. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: auxiliary audio input, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, driver and passenger front and seat mounted airbags, 3 12-volt power outlets, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, front wheel drive with traction control, and automatic transmission. Road and track notes: the Lucerne's solid body, big passenger compartment, and able road manners might just be the prescription Buick needs to lure doctors back from luxury imports. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.